Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up MLA format essay. Start by creating a document with 1-inch margins, 12-point font, and double spacing throughout. Add your name, instructor, course, and date in the top left. Include a header with your last name and page numbers in the top right. Use a centered title with no bold or underline, then begin the first paragraph with a 1/2-inch indent. Create the header with your last name followed by the page number aligned right. In the top left of the first page, list your name, instructor, course, and date on separate lines. Center the title on the next line and use standard capitalization without styling. Begin the first paragraph after a 1/2-inch indent. Keep tone clear and consistent throughout your essay to match MLA expectations. When you quote or paraphrase, use the author page format such as Smith 23 immediately after the material. Put punctuation after the closing parenthesis for the citation. For block quotes longer than 4 lines, start on a new line and indent 1 inch from the left margin without quotation marks. Always ensure each in-text citation corresponds to a full entry on your work's cited page at the end of the essay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.